Hello and welcome everyone. Today we embark on a fascinating exploration of converting text to engaging video. Throughout this video, we will be looking on the topic text to video of various PIB press releases using artificial intelligence, machine learning, generative adversarial network in English and 13 regional language. Exploring our innovative approach to solving the complex problem through an advanced AI technique. In addressing the complex challenges, our approach seamlessly integrates natural language processing, image classification and processing and generative AI. The architecture has following features like language translation, text summarization, text to image generation, video concatenation and regional audio. At its core, our model is designed to transform diverse and multilingual textual data into visually accessible and engaging content. We begin by translating text from various regional languages into English. This transformation is achieved through text-to-text sequential model employing an encoder and decoder architecture. Recognizing that translated text can often contain extraneous details, we employ a text summarization model. Its architecture closely resembles the text-to-text sequential model, but is enhanced with attention mechanism. This empowers the model to distill the most relevant information, creating a concise paragraph. With a condensed text in our hand, we move on to video generation. After the summarization, we fed up the text generated to a image model, which takes input as a previous image generated and current prompt and uses generative AI, which includes a generated discriminate architecture to create a next image in the sequence of video. This model also keeps the context of the summarized text to create the video, whose context matches the context of the text. And each newly generated image is concatenated one after other, generating a video. To make our content more accessible to regional audience, we incorporate text-to-speech engine like Keras, which generate audio explanation and relevant regional language. These audio explanations are added to the video, making it comprehensive and culturally inclusive way to understand the content of the published document visually. To be precise, our approach transforms raw textual data into visually engaging and culturally inclusive content. It bridges language barriers, distills information, and presents it in a compiling format, making complex data easily comprehensible. In our problem-solving approach, we use the capabilities of cutting-edge technologies, including natural language processing, which help us to understand the language, generative adversarial network for creating the content generation, deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch to power our model. We also utilize video synthesis library such as OpenCV for video generation.
As we have explored the methodology and architecture of our project, let's delve into the practical aspects. Use cases. The proposed solution can be used in both private and government sector. From business point of view, our solution can be used in content marketing and to provide better user experience. First, content marketing. Companies usually make various announcements through blog posts, articles, or product description on their website. Our model can be used to generate interesting videos about these announcements for marketing purposes. We live in a world where videos get shared at a fast pace, and companies can leverage this further to increase their customer reach. This will ultimately increase the user engagement and traffic on their website. Second, customer support and FAQs. Answers to the customer queries and questions are often given by experts, but many customers can still find it difficult to resolve their issues. For example, a simple step-by-step process of registering for some event or availing some extra benefits if presented in a short video, would be much easier and a fast way to understand and implement rather than just a simple text column or text manual. Moving to the government sector, our solution can be used in public awareness campaigns as the information about safety, health, etc. can be converted into educational videos that would reach masses in very short amount of time. Secondly, it can be used to increase the transparency and accountability of the news related to different government schemes. Like, currently there are many people who make YouTube videos explaining the information about government schemes. Now, this means that the person reads the information about those schemes and then interprets it in his own way to be able to convey that in easier words. This creates a possibility of addition of human biases or lack of complete information. Our solution also tackles these issues and will implement the correct information with no human biases included. Some of the dependencies of our project would be the substantial dataset of PIB press releases. This is the raw data that will be used to train our model, and without a diverse and comprehensive dataset, our ability to understand and generate content in various languages would be severely limited. Pre-trained embedding. They provide a foundation of language knowledge that our model can build upon, making it more accurate and efficient overall. As we are generating videos as our output, we would need a sufficient computational power and infrastructure to support that. Some of the showstoppers in our project would be language diversity, alignment issues of the visuals. We would need to look into seamless integration of multiple frames during the implementation. We need to ensure that the images used in generating video are copyright free, and models should be trained and fine-tuned without any potential biases. Finally, the novelty of our solution. There exist some websites that provide text to video conversion, but there is no existing end-to-end solution that includes text summarization, language translation, text to image conversion, and aligning images to generate a complete video. Our solution will be new in its own kind.